Noor, say hi. Today I'm going to open this art case. Let's open it. Here is what comes inside the set. And here the coloring pages. Let's open it. So we're going to take the packaging out. Now let's open it. Wow! Let's open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look! Look what comes inside. Pencils, markers, and 10 coloring pages, and also we get some stickers. Here are the markers. Here's the black crayon. Here are the other markers. Here are the pencils and the other crayons. Noor, are you happy? I'm gonna give this diary to my little sister to write on. There's so many. Here is the eraser. We've got one sharpener. Now I'm going to use the crayons. Noor, you like it? I'm gonna write now with the marker. Now I'm going to show you the stickers. Look at the stickers. These are the stickers. Here are the stickers. Here's the second page, the third page, the fourth page, and the fifth page. Thank you so much for watching. Noor, say bye.